Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to download fit file from Strava. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to strava.com, and from here just simply click on log in over here. And after that, you can log in with Facebook, Google, or Apple, or manually log in. Now, once you are logged in, just simply go ahead and click on over here, following, and go for my activities. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and select one of your activities that you want to download the fit file. So I'm gonna go for the first one that I recently did. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on the three dots over here. And now over here on the three dots, you should be able to see here export original. So click on it. And after that, as you can see, it will be a fit file, guys. And just simply select a location where you want to download it and just simply click on save. And after that, you should be able to have the fit file of your activity. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.